That JWW file is a JWCAD CAD drawing, 2D architectural and engineering designs from Japan's most popular free CAD application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or troubleshoot these CAD drawing files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep JWW file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. JWW files are CAD drawing files from JWCAD, a free Japanese 2D CAD application widely used in Japan's architecture and construction industries. They store line drawings, dimensions, text annotations, layers and hatching patterns for architectural floor plans and engineering diagrams. JWCAD JWW files use a proprietary binary format, storing 2D geometric entities, including lines, arcs, circles, dimensions, and text with layer assignments, color properties, and line type definitions. They support multiple drawing scales and paper size configurations. Optimal handling of the JWW format is achieved using JWCAD by Jiro Shimizu and Yoshifumi Tanaka. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can't process advanced CAD features, so thorough review requires a compatible design tool. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your JWW file and select Open With. Use JWCAD if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. When your JWW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this JWW format is causing you grief. First, opening the file. Download and install JWCAD free from JWCAD.net for native JWW file support. The application is primarily Japanese, but English versions are available. Open the JWW file via File, then open to load the complete 2D drawing with all layers and annotations. Next, converting to DXF. Open the JWW file in JWCAD and use File, then DXF Save to export the drawing in DXF format. This universal CAD exchange format can be imported into AutoCAD SolidWorks or any other CAD application, supporting the DXF standard for cross-platform compatibility. Finally, viewing without JWCAD. Use the free JWW Viewer applications available for Windows, or try importing the JWW file into RootPro CAD, a Japanese CAD application that supports JWW import. For quick viewing, convert to PDF using JWCAD's Print to PDF feature for sharing with non-CAD users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.